Machine learning is the latest buzzword floating around. So, what does machine learning really mean? The technical definition of machine learning is a computer program is set to learn from experience E with respect to some class of tasks T and performance P if its performance at tasks in T as measured by P improves with experience E. Lot of P's, T's, and E's. Don't worry, I'll give you a simple example to understand what machine learning is. Friends is my favorite TV show, and I'm a die-hard fan of Joey. So Joey decided to visit India for the first time. He orders 4 idlis and is still hungry after the meal. Now he has an image that anything white is not going to fill his stomach completely. So the next time around, he orders malai paneer in bulk. Sadly, this time he couldn't finish everything on his plate. What is happening here is basically after each meal, Joey is learning something and improving the end result. We as humans are programmed to learn from our experience. We can do something similar with machines too. We can program a machine to learn from every attempt, experience, data point, and then improve the outcome. A generic solution or a non machine learning way for a given use case is to have a program which would measure the size of the dish, color of the dish, and apply some predefined formula to calculate how much a person can eat. But we are not taking into consideration the plethora of dishes in India that we have. And each time a new dish is encountered, we would continuously have a failed attempt. To get the outcome right, you need to reprogram taking different variants of the dishes into your formula. A machine learning way would be the same generic formula at the start, but as you go on, as you keep on eating new stuff, you continuously your model or your outcome is improved. The whole idea of machine learning is not to complicate simple things. Like you don't need a machine learning algorithm to calculate a person's age from his date of birth, but you would need a machine learning algorithm to guess a person's age using his music likes. For example, your data would have points that a Kishore Kumar fan are generally skewed with age of 40 plus, and Arijit Singh's fans are generally younger than 25. Hope this video was a good starting point to people who want to know what machine learning is. Thank you so much.